This is a Samsung refrigerator. This is the model. Let's see here what we got. This is the model RF28HM ED BSR. Okay. Anyway, the point I wanted to make is we love this refrigerator. It's got lots of room for everything. It's got the pull-out drawer, you know, with the area for meats and cheese, whatever you want to do. You can adjust this up and down, left and right. It's really nice. Lots of extra room, drawers. You got the freezer down here. We like to pull out drawers for the most part, 2 drawers. But one thing we can't stand is our ice maker. Right now, you can see the ice maker gets full of ice. And Samsung knew this was a problem. They actually built in a defrost feature. Why would you build a defrost feature in unless you needed to defrost something, right? So when you go into here, so to defrost this, you just hold freezer and light till it beeps. There it goes. Now you do that, 2, 3, 4, freezer defrost. So they built this in. They actually programmed this to defrost, which is ridiculous. And then it beeps like this for what? How long does it beep? 40 minutes. Just beeps. It's annoying. And it doesn't completely defrost it. It defrosts it a little bit, but doesn't get it enough. We have to kind of get a spoon, a wooden spoon back there, and kind of chisel a little bit of it off. This happened in the beginning, I don't know, like after a couple months, and now it's starting to happen more frequently. It's almost like, I don't know what's happened. Anyway, just wanted to give you guys a heads up. If you know if they're going to start recalling that ice maker, or if there's a workaround, we would appreciate it.